Kid party food ideas.
Kid parties don't have to be costly at all. During birthdays or other special occasions, all you need to prepare are foods that you know that they will eat and love. But of course, you also want to make sure to give them food that is healthy and will give them enough energy so they may join games and play with other kids too. Main menu. Even if kids are on a party to play games and have fun, it is still important to make sure you feed them with food that will keep them full. Make it interesting for them, and don't forget that presentation is important. You may serve hot dogs, small egg rolls, cheese cubes, vegetable sticks with a healthy dip, apple slices with caramel dip, small sandwiches, and pasta dishes. Sweets. Cake isn't the only sweet thing on a kid's party. You can serve them with sweets that are also filling on the stomach. This is where you can get really creative with your treats. You may serve strawberries with chocolate dip, cookies, Rice Krispie, fruit-flavored popsicles, yogurt with fruit toppings, marshmallows, and fruit platter. Drinks. Although most kiddie parties have sodas, it would still be best to serve kids with fruit-flavored juices as they are tasty but has lower amounts of sugar and is much healthier. Throughout the party, don't forget to have water readily available so that if kids feel thirsty, they can easily grab it for a drink. You may serve them with bottled water for everyone's convenience. Pack fruit juice, fruit smoothies, and fruit shakes.
Until the next video, thank you for watching.